MOMO stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in the space with 41,000 videos documented. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And with MOMO, Hello Group stock, of course, I'm looking to take it further up. This is not going to be in a way where I'm just going to randomly start buying here. It's actually very simple. Following my rules that I've tested for 41,000 videos. So how's that going to look like? Well, simply put, the only thing that will make me be bullish here is a full candle close above $7, let's say. And currently we're sitting here. So unless I see some sort of like a double break here, there's just going to be no way that I'm going to look to sell. Very simply put, right? Like this is where we are. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting for my rules to be met. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then yeah, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.